In this video, I will guide you through the simple process of changing your workspace to the touch profile in CorelDRAW. This feature is incredibly useful if you are working on a tablet or a laptop with a touchscreen because it optimizes the entire interface for your fingers or a stylus. To get started, you will need to look at the very top of your screen where the main menu bar is located. Once you are there, find and click on the option labeled Window. This action will open up a secondary drawdown menu filled with various display settings. From this list, you need to navigate down and click on the Workspace option. This will reveal another submenu that displays all the different interface layouts you can choose naturally. Now, scan through the list of available profiles until you see the one specifically named Touch. Go ahead and select that option from the list. After you make your selection, a final confirmation dialog box may appear on your screen. To apply these changes and transform your layout, simply click the OK button. As soon as you do this, you will notice that the toolbars and menus automatically resize and reorganize themselves to be much more accessible for direct screen interaction. The icons become larger, and the spacing increases to prevent accidental clicks while you create your art. Using the Touch Workspace can significantly improve your workflow when you are away from your desk or just prefer a more tactile design experience. It is a fantastic way to take full advantage of modern hardware while still having the power of CorelDRAW right at your fingertips. Now that you have successfully switched profiles, you are ready to start designing with ease. Thank you for following along with this quick tutorial today.